Shenzhen Smart Education Technology Company Limited is located in Shenzhen, China, and was founded in 2012. We specialize in supplying electronic educational products, such as AI technology picture books, reading robot, reading pen with audiobooks, story machines. Our company has rich OEM and ODM experience. We have a large number of electronic educational industry engineers who concentrate on printing books with hidden codes, cutting voices, synthesizing voices. Moreover, we have a complete production chain from product shaping, structure designing, mold producing, PCB and software designing to manufacturing and after-sales services. Our cooperated factory daily production reaches 3,000 pieces, which enables us to fulfill your order on time. And we fully comply with ISO 9001 standards. To ensure product quality, our company has established a strong QC system. We continuously devote ourselves for children's healthy growth and happy study. After years' efforts, we have built long-term cooperation with customers from different countries, including Europe, America, Russia, South Korea, Japan, and Southeast Asia, helping millions of children increase their interest to study. Our mission is to provide customers with advanced technology combined with outstanding service and support to achieve a smart education for home learning and classroom use. Together, we are more innovative and intelligent. Wish we endeavor together and bring happiness to children all over the world. Look forward to your cooperation.